Hey guys, this is Disha Singh, as you all know, and today I want to congratulate to all those aspirants, all those Agniveers who have passed their Airforce Agniveer Yojana written examination. A very congratulations to all of you. And now it's time to prepare for phase 2, which includes 3 rounds of interview, which is number 1 is GD, that is a group discussion round, and number 2 is psychological test, which is also known as SRT, that is situation reaction test, and number 3rd is a physical test. So you guys have only 10 to 15 days left with you to prepare for these phase 2 round, and if you want to prepare it easily, just go and join the Indus Rangers Defense Academy today, because there are batches are going live from today 12 PM to 2 PM. Just go and join it, and if you need any further information related to this, give a call on 9936404655 and prepare for these phase 2 round easily. And if you need any further information, just give a call. Thank you so much for today. Bye bye, take care.